In today's video, I'm going to walk you guys through how to spot trade on OKX. Now, in this video, we are going to cover spot trading pairs to use, the types of spot trading, how to use OKX for spot trading. For that, what you guys have to do first is download the OKX app. After you've downloaded the OKX app, which we will leave a link down in the description below, you guys can use that link to get the OKX app. You have to sign up. Also, a link to a video on how to sign up and verify your OKX account will also be leave down in the description below. Click on that link, and after you've done with your verification and everything on your OKX app, you first of all have to buy a USD. Simply have to head to the P2P section. When you're done with it, let's quickly run through that. Simply tap on P2P. After you verify your OKX account, have to tap on buy if I want to buy on OKX. After I tap on buy, choose the amount you want to buy. So let's say I'm buying 250 cities, right? So you simply have to read the terms. This merchant needs what he wants you to allow your cash out. If you're in Ghana here, you have to use your mobile money payments method to actually buy your cryptocurrency or buy your dollar here or use USDT here. Okay, so when you're done with it, you simply have to tap on buy USDT with 0 fees here. Okay, now when you're done, you simply tap on that charts section here. You have to read this, and then you leave your number to them, give them your number. After you've given them your number, you actually have to allow cash out if you are using a mobile money payments method. But if you are using a bank process, you simply have to proceed with actually sending money towards someone using your bank account. And when you can tap on get payment details, tap on I have paid, and after you tap on I have paid, the seller will confirm it, and then he will release the USDT crypto to you, and that's it. So this is quickly how you can buy USDT on OKX simply. Also, they have 0 fees while buying a USDT. Now, after you've done with buying your USDT crypto, now what I recommend you doing is to actually know the spot trading pairs you'll be using, and this all comes down to the amount of capital you'll be using. For example, in this case, let's say if you were to be using a minimal capital below $100, what I would recommend you the spot trading pair to actually spot trade on is to spot trade on XRP. Okay, now XRP, the reason why spot trading on a low capital with XRP is spot trading actually deals with you owning more quantities of coin, and with that you can make actually more profit with it, right? Let's say if you had one XRP, each and every move that XRP makes, you actually benefit that difference. Okay, so owning more of XRP with your low capital actually benefits you when you're actually using low capital for your spot trading. The second section is actually spot trading with higher capital. Targets those huge coins that make actually huge volatile moves or volatile differences within some short period of time, which includes coins like OKB, which is the OKX based coin, the ETH, which is the Ethereum, and the BTC, which is the Bitcoin. Okay, now these 4 coins are what I recommend to you, but with a higher capital, you can actually use them to also trade lower coins such as XRP as well. Now the reason why I'm recommending XRP is during US session, XRP is highly volatile, and with that you can benefit from all those spot trading moves to the bullish side that the market makes. Okay, now let's get on into the types of spot trading to use, which in this video it includes manual spot trading and automatic spot trading or bot spot trading, which automatic and bot spot trading actually is actually you spot trading with bots. But in this video we wouldn't get more into that, but we will actually focus on manual spot trading. Now manual spot trading actually deals with you not using bots, but actually you placing your own orders on the spot trading panel. Okay, executing your own orders manually as it sounds. Okay, now before we get more in depth into manual spot trading, first on this screen here, let's switch to a demo account or demo trading to actually spot trade on and to make our more practical details on manual. On your home page here, you tap on trade. After you tap on trade, you tap on the 3 dots here, and then you tap on demo trading. And see, OKX gives us huge sums of money. We do have 158,000, which are all demo accounts and demo funds. Let's use BTC as an example for manual spot trading here. Now before we get into our spot trading panel, as you can see, we do have the charts here, and before you can be able to read your charts, and predict where price will be moving next is actually to master a technical analysis, which we will share with you guys that in later videos in the future as well. On this chart section here, as you can see, we do have the pairs, we do have spot, and we do have the leverage available for BTC, which this leverage is actually helpful. Then we do have the current price. We do have BTC ranking as number 1 in cryptocurrency. We do have it being top in payments. Okay, now what you see 24 high, which actually signals, or it means within these 24 hours BTC has been able to move to the highest point, which is 119,600. Okay, and the 24 hours low, which is actually BTC has been able to move to such low price, which is 115,680. Okay, and the volume of BTC traded today, which is 18.17k, which is the amount of BTC that has been traded, and the volume of USDC traded today within this 24 hours. Now, in order for you to access your spot trading panel, take your manual trades, you simply have to tap on trade. After I tap on trade, Ox will provide you with this clean chart as if you are trading on a PC. Under manual spot trading, what we will recommend you knowing more and mastering more is actually with the other types. You have to know which other types to use, and the most two other types you have to master here or know is limit order and market order. We do have other types as well and other functions that you can use for your manual spot trading here. We'll walk you through how to place orders with limit order and market order. But first, let us explain how these two works. Now, the limit order actually deals with you placing a spot trading order at a specific price. Okay, for example, you don't want your price, you don't want to simply buy instantly. You simply have to choose a specific price, and then you place your limit order at that specific price. The market order actually deals with you being able to buy instantly, exactly at the same price. Now let's begin with limit order. Limit order actually, as we already know, deals with you buying or selling at a specific price. And in order for you to place a limit order, also notice we always want to buy at the lowest price possible and sell at the highest price possible to make enough profits. Okay, so let's choose a price. We do have price currency moving fast due to volatility. Price is currently just 590. So let's choose to buy at 598. So let's choose to buy at 590. Okay, and then let's put all of our BTC inside, all of our currency inside, or USDT inside. Now, when done with it, choosing your price, as you can see, we chose our price here that we want to buy at. We chose the amount of USDT we want to buy. Okay, so price is actually moving hours, so let's buy at 560. Okay, now we are buying at 560, which means after we buy at, this is actually 560, we will wait for price to come out to 118,560 before our order will be filled. Now, after we've done with placing, setting our limit order here or limit price here, we then have to tap on buy BTC orders here, and this is the price section. You can see your other details here. After placing your limit order, you see we do have BTC USDT, we do have the limit buy, we do have the date and the time, the amount of BTC that you want to buy, and then we do have the other price as well. When we started, the field was what, 0. In a short period of time, the field came towards 0.7, which means amount we were buying was 1.02 BTC, but currently we do have 0.7 of out of our total 1.02 BTC filled. Now we are waiting for the rest of them to be filled, and then we will have all of our of our BTC once it's bought and ready to be sold at the highest price. Using the same limit order, we can sell our position. Now, let's say you forgot the price that you bought your BTC at. You can simply scroll down where you see the orders, assets bought, and then you see this thing here. It's actually your history, so you simply have to tap on it. Now you see your orders history here. We do have what we wanted to buy BTC at 560. Our price that we bought BTC at was 118,560. We want to sell about 118,560. We do have price guarantee at 118,596, which is what a good difference in it. So now what we can do is to actually place our limits order again. It's first for to place a limit order. First for choose a price, and price is guaranteed at 118,606. So we chose this price here, and then we will choose to use all of the BTC that we bought. Right now, after we have done with it, we can simply tap on what sell BTC. Right now, let's check one more thing. When we're buying our BTC, let's check the amount that we invested or the amount that we used to buy our BTC. Currently, we do have what when we are selling at 606, we will actually gain 121,105. So let's head back to history and check the amount we invested. Okay, now we invested. Okay, these are the amounts. One BTC field was one BTC, and then let's see the amount we invested 121,211. Okay, now when we sell at this price, that means we will have to actually encounter a loss. So what then do? We have to wait for price to actually move up. I'll set a limit price for that. So let's say I'll set a limit price to say 8. Okay, 800. That means we will be making more than what we actually used. Okay, so what then we do after we set our price, we choose the amount we want to use, then we then tap on what sell BTC. We then have to wait for price to come towards 118,800 for our order to be filled. How to use market order? In order for you to use market order, still on this spot trading panel here, you have to tap on a drop where you see limit order with a drop down icon here. Then you can change from limit order to market order and any other types when you advance in the future. Now we will be using market order. Now, as you already know, market order works with you being able to buy or sell instantly at market price. Nowadays, you don't have to set market price already. Automatically, it will buy at the exact price at which BTC is currently at. So what you have to do, the only thing you have to do here is simply choose a price you want to buy or sell at. Now in this case we are buying, later on we will sell. So let's buy at the current price with every USDT we have. So we will tap on buy. As you can see, automatically it's bought, and when we scroll down, we don't have any other details here below. But when we head to our sell section, you will see what we bought here being available here in our sell section. Now you can use the same method to sell if you want to sell your position. So you simply have to choose the amount of BTC. You can choose to set to any 50% of it, or I'll choose 100%. Now I'll tap on sell. Again, we didn't have to set any price, neither did we see our other details here as well. That's with market order. There is how to use market order for your spot trading. And that's it, guys. If you guys like this video and appreciate how we want more details about spot trading in this video, kindly leave a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated anytime we release a new video in the future. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe.